Yeah, well, I've been following the whole get a date with Drew on Valentine's Day, and I'm just so curious to know, Drew, have you been stopped in the grocery store or girls following you around?
Not yet, but that is the goal. That's why we're doing it. It's a lot of fun, and I'm anxious to see where it goes.
Okay, so for all of my single friends, I'm curious to know a few things before they sign up. Are you from here?
I'm from Nashville, born and raised.
Okay. And so where are your favorite places to take girls on dates here?
Ooh. I really like Italian food, so I like to go to Coco's Italian Market, which is actually right down the road. That's one of my favorite places.
Okay.
And what else?
I don't know. Are you blonde, brunette? Do you have a preference?
I don't have a physical preference. I like goofballs and girls that are silly and can keep up with, you know, back and forth and joking and stuff. That's what I like.
He said he likes a brain.
A brain? Hey, well, that's perfect.
It's good to have one of those.
Well, I've got some friends I might be sending your way.
What?
Yeah, we got to. It's so fun. It sounds like it'll be a fun night.